Goddess tutorial. It's currently not very sunny out. It's really storming, so hopefully the power doesn't go out before I can finish all this. Thankfully I have my ring light to be my sun, so I can be all sparkly and pretty. So anyway, if you want to see how to create this look, keep watching and enjoy. I'm starting off with Sugar Pills Taco in the inner corner, top and bottom. Next to that, we're blending in Buttercupcake and blending it up above the crease. Beside that, I'm adding Flamepoint. Then Love Plus. And finally, Poison Plum. This will make a pretty sunset look. With Physicians Formula Black Eyeliner, I'm winging the liner out. You can wing this however you normally would. With Mehron's yellow in the center of the forehead above the brow, I'm adding a sun. Then, coming out from the sun, do a waved horizontal line to the edge of your forehead. Do another one, but keep the waves opposite from each other so it kind of looks like DNA. Now I'm going to warn you, this first one will be easy. They'll give you hope. But trying to match the second lines on the other side is a pain. Just try your best. I did the second side off camera because I screwed up way too many times. On the bottom of the sun, I'm adding a little design that kind of looks like a jewel hanging down. Now to cover all the yellow, I'm using Lit Cosmetics Metal in Glisten with their glitter glue. For the sun in the center, I originally was adding Vegas, but it was mixing weird with the yellow, so instead I changed it to Hello Sunshine from Lit. I'm also taking some of that Hello Sunshine and adding it to the inner corners of the eyes, and dusting it lightly along the upper lid. Now it's time for so much highlight. I'm using Sephora's brand of highlighter in Stardust. I'm adding it to the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, and the Cupid's bow. If you want to add it anywhere else, go ahead. For the lips, I'm adding NYX Cosmetics Cherry Skies. In the middle, I'm using Sugar Pills Goldilocks and blending that outwards. Over all of the chest, I'm taking Makeup Geek's New Year's Eve. This is super sparkly if you can't see it on screen. If you don't have that, you can always use the same highlighter you used on the face. With the yellow from Mehron, draw a large sun in the middle of the chest. And then cover it with Lit's Glisten. Add some mascara and false lashes. And that's it! You're done!